lucky to work with the 8 out of the 17 species of macaw you can find worldwide, but blue-throated macaws are one of the rarest, with a population of fewer than 400 currently out in the wild right now. It's an incredibly scary low number, but we're working to protect birds like this, and when you come to a place like Disney's Animal Kingdom, you're helping us as well. Because here at Winged Encounters, we've partnered up with the World Parrot Trust. They're working on breeding birds like the blue-throated macaw in hopes their offspring can be released into the wild someday down in South America where they're found. Because we want to see skies full of macaws for generations to come. I mean, could you imagine what that would look like? A sky full of color, a sky full of macaws. Well, all you have to do is look up. Oh my goodness, we've got so many birds joining us right here at the roots of Tree of Life. Like I mentioned before, we have a lot of diversity of birds here. Lots of different shapes, colors, and sizes, because these birds do come in a lot of different kinds of shapes, colors here. We have these smaller birds like Wizard. He is a red-fronted macaw, and these birds are actually about to take off. So keep your phones and cameras up and ready as they head off on their next adventure. Pause for dramatic effect. There we go.